one man caused the life of 3 people. One man, caused the life of 3 innocent people, including 2 minor, and a 10-year-old and a 6-year-old. Now, my viewers, subscribers, we are learned say this gruesome act which caused the life of a 81-year-old woman and her grandkids is a reprisal to an incident that took place some long time ago. Them have this saying where say if you can't catch Kwako, you catch him short. It is said that the now deceased elderly woman also have a grandson who involved in a whole heap of wrongdoing. You get me? He was involved in the killing of a man some long time ago, and this is the reprisal which involve the slaying of a 10-year-old, a 6-year-old, and also the 81-year-old woman. My viewers, subscribers, time and time we see them things here happen, and we ask ourselves and say, like, where them people couldn't do to deserve this? Because we know say people couldn't just call so to get up and go execute a elderly woman and 2 baby, 2 minor. Like, we know say people call because them people who do this, them call them not an art. But it wouldn't make no sense for like people just get up, or them man just get up so and say, you know, we'll take them 3 people their life for no reason at all. It have to stem from something. And we are learn now say, watch the 81-year-old deceased also have a next grandson. You get me? We take the life of a man some time ago, and the people and decide to know at the right time we can't catch him, so we are do in people him something. Now, my viewers, subscribers, it is unclear now if them did deliberately go for this elderly woman and the 2 kids them. You get me? Because it can also be a case where them go feed the youth there where them look for how long and can't find, but them not find him, and them just say, you wanna, we see them people in the house, so we just take for them cheap points and make them know, make the youth they know, say, what you know, we not play. So it look like that happened, and when it come on to a case where they were murdered execution style, knee down, upon them knee, I beg for them life. Me no know if them did a question the elderly woman, you get me, but once you see them do something like that, it clearly assures say, yo, it's something back at something. You get me, my viewers, subscribers. Now it's just sad say, yo, 2 minor involved in it, and the poor elderly woman when know nothing what really are going. You get me? I just that kind of hurt a whole heap of my viewers, subscribers. You get me? And time we see things like them here happen, whereas criminals can't catch who them want to catch, so them target somebody in the family when they have nothing to do with nothing, we don't know what going on, just to prove a point. And that was what happened Sunday evening. We also saw where the father and the son, the father of the 2 kids and the son of the 81-year-old woman who was involved in the gruesome slaying. Him actually, I say, yo, what really happened, how that, what go on, him clueless as to what really happened. You get me? Me not sure if him know, say, yo, him have a nephew, because them must say, yo, I'm nephew, who involved in a whole heap of wrongdoing, right? Now, my viewers, subscribers, condolences goes out to him and him family. You get me? Like, this is actually a hard time now, my viewers, subscribers, because the man just lose him 2 youth them, which are 2 brilliant kids. You know, the neighbors and people in the community, I say, yo, them 2 youth here, them intelligent. You get me? So just imagine if you know, say your 2 daughter them just wipe out so in a senseless killing way, them not have nothing to do with, so that kind of shake up him and the entire family and also resident of the community. So condolence goes out to the family, my viewers. We just have to support them things here, you know, you get me? But then again, Jano. My viewers, subscribers, comment in the comment section below and what you think about this. You get me? Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.